What's up, guys? So today got my stuff out and I'm gonna be repairing the scratches, all that right there. And yeah, I already cleaned the surface. I'm gonna clean it again. I'm gonna be using a wool pad from that $7 eBay special, and the medium pad. And the reason why I'm going medium, because this clear is very, very soft, and it levels out, and the scratches come out pretty easy. And so now that I'm recording this video, you guys know my luck. There's a big fire right across the street. I'm trying to record this video, and there's a fire, so pretty soon there's gonna be a bunch of firefighters. So let's check it out. See a bunch of smoke. Just my luck. There's two firefighters here, and two over there, two paramedics. Tried to make a quick video. Guys at the fire extinguisher. It's crazy, it's chaos. Alright, so the fire's over. I gotta continue, and all this was all swirled up. I got all the swirls out. You couldn't see a good before and after because it's pretty overcast already. And swirl marks do not show up in you know, low light. And yeah, this actually happened. But this is what I use. I swear by this stuff. This is a Swirl X by Meguiar's, and very little filler, and this stuff takes out the minor imperfections, and I got it pretty good. Besides the waviness right there, all their damage when they were just chilling and relaxing on the car is pretty much gone. So that's it right there. And now I'm gonna get started with the wool pad, and it should be good. I'm gonna be using Meguiar's Ultra Cut Compound 105. I use the Swirl X for my polish, and otherwise this will be a 205 for the polish. So I'm just doing this section, but I'm gonna end up doing the whole spoiler. But let me see. Alright, so there's still some scratches in it. Not deep, but deep enough that the wool with compound would not polish out. So I'm gonna end up just wet sanding this. It's a lot of clear coat on this wing, so I'm just gonna sand it up a little bit and go after with the wool. There's more right here, but I'll fix this all up right now. We'll see.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Alright, that's it. Done with the wet sanding. Now back with the wool pad. So this is how it looks after the 5000 grit wet sand. I don't see any of the other scratches. Looks very cloudy because I just took a nice little layer off. So now it's time to start polishing again. And this is the sandpaper I'm using right there. It's just the 5000 grit. Very, very fine stuff. Barely takes off anything, but it's enough just to get that, correct it and get the imperfections out. Alright, so I got it pretty nice. Doesn't look bad at all. Just a bunch of compound down here. Still got to polish this out the same way I did this with the Swirl X, but this right here was a little bit more involved, and there are still some imperfections in there, but not as bad. So finally, the car, it's back to the way it was before all that mess and stuff. Anyway, guys, I really recommend this stuff. I've been using it for years. Swirl X by Meguiar's. The only reason why I suggest this is because people don't really know where to get, you know, detailing products and all that. And this is just $10. Buy it at AutoZone, anywhere, any auto parts store, and it works pretty good. It gets it like a mirror finish, and it really performs. And you could do it by a DA or by hand. It says right there. Oh yeah, it's not gonna focus, but yeah. So I'm gonna cut it off right there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And next video, or pretty soon, I'm gonna be doing what I did over there, but right here, the cut and buff, and it should be good. It's gonna match up pretty nice. Alright guys, I'll see ya.